How to hide or show secure folder notification content on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So you will see security and privacy is here. So click on security and privacy. Now here, so scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, so click on secure folder. So after click on secure folder, so after click on secure folder, now here showing you notification. So if you want to show notifications, so turn on notification button. So after turn on notification button, you will see notification is turned on. So if you want to turn off secure folder notification, so turn off this button, you will see notification secure folder is turned off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can show or hide secure folder notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.